To use the adoption amplifier, you need to make sure you go to go.hex.win and sign into MetaMask and click on transform at the top and click enter. Then you want to put in the amount of Ethereum that you want to use and click enter when you're ready. And at the top in MetaMask, just confirm that it says like EB93 for the address and click on confirm when you're done. Now you're going to have to go onto your ledger and open the Ethereum app to review the transaction. So just keep on clicking the right button until you get to the end where it says accept and send, and make sure you accept the transaction. And there you go, it went through. So now to leave the adoption amplifier, which you can see I entered on the 4th and now it's the 15th. Normally you wouldn't wait that long, but just for this video, that's what I did. So you can click on exit and the transaction is only 1 cent. Cool. So click on confirm and you're going to have to go back to your ledger and do the same thing as before. Just review the transaction and accept it. Okay, and now it's just going to load forever because that's what happens a lot on this website. So just click on MetaMask at the top and you can see where it says pending. Click on the little arrow and you can see that there's a countdown. So as long as you have that there, your transaction went through and you don't have to just wait there forever. So normally you wouldn't leave the adoption amplifier like a week later, how I did here. That's just for this video. So if you put it in one day, you can leave the very next day after 24 hours. So keep that in mind. It's better to get it sooner than later, especially if you're going to stake it. It's better to exit the adoption amplifier as soon as you can, so that if you want to stake that HEX, you can do so and do it earlier. But yeah, you can enter and exit anytime. It's really easy. It takes 2 seconds. If you want to get 10% more HEX for free, you can use my referral link down in the description below. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more crypto tutorials like this one.